So again, we left off at number 12. What is the voltage of this cell when the reaction reaches equilibrium? When you're at equilibrium, that's like you have a dead battery because all of the electrons that could go from one side to the other side have gone to the other side. And so you're not going to have any more voltage at equilibrium. Which is the anode? So we know that oxidation is happening at this electrode, and we know our cute little acronym ANOX. So if oxidation is happening here, then this is the anode. And so this must be our red cat. So the other electrode is our cathode, and that is where reduction is happening because our electrons are going over to this electrode. So the anode is the aluminum solid electrode. That is a 0. And the cathode is our lead solid electrode. What is the positive electrode? Now remember, this is a voltaic cell, and in voltaic cells, the electrons are naturally flowing from the negative side over to the positive side. So in a voltaic cell, the cathode is the positive guy, and the anode is the negative side. In electrolytic cells, the charges are switched. But this is a voltaic cell, so it makes sense. The electrons are naturally going to go from negative to positive. So the positive electrode is our lead electrode, our Pb0. And the negative electrode is our aluminum electrode, Al0. Okay, that was the whole worksheet. If you have questions, please let me know.